So this is my recent purchase from Nykaa. This is from the brand Aroma Magic, and this is a skin toner, and it claims to tighten pores and revive skin, and it says here it's meant for oily skin. And the retail price of this one is here 115 rupees, but I purchased it for 100 rupees only. I was also very happy when I saw that it came with this nozzle spray, because according to their website it was showing here it is with a regular flip cup only, but I was glad that it is with a spray. So the main reason that I purchased this toner is let me show you guys, it's here. It is 100% free of alcohol, parabens free, no petrochemicals, and phthalate free, no artificial fragrance and color, and it is also not tested on animals. The key ingredients of this one are, let's see, it includes extract of pomegranate together with lavender and peppermint, and it also witch witch hazel and essentials of rosemary and ilang-ilang. Sorry. And the shelf life of this one is 2 years, but it is only 12 months after opening. This product is also completely sealed, as you can see. So let me just remove this plastic seal here. So I've already removed the seal and I've already opened it, and the smell is totally fragrance free, and there is no what do you call this? The smell is not very exciting for me. It's kind of wooden smell, but I am totally fine with that one because this is fragrance free product. I think this would be good if I would mix a little or a few drops of rose water to neutralize the smell. So the texture and color of this one is just like normal water. It's just like transparent. I already tried it on my face, and it really feels soft and smooth after I sprayed it on my face, as you can see. It absorbs so quickly on your skin, and my skin feels like hydrated after applying this one. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please like if you find my video helpful, and see you on my next video.